Yeah. Now, today we are going to start the variables in Python. Okay. Now, what does it mean by a variable? Okay. What does it mean by variable? Now, variable is a location or container where we can store our values. Okay. The simple example. Now, daily we are going to using some phone. Okay, now we can store some like a phone number. Okay, we can store like some contact numbers, we can store some like a ATM pin numbers. Okay, now for suppose simply here, like a name is equal to some phone number. Okay, some phone number we are going to store. Now see here, this number is we are going to store in this name. Now whenever we are going to contact to someone, we are not going to enter the number right now. Nowadays we are not going to enter any names. Okay, simply here directly call Siri, like a Siri, I call to Satya. Okay, simply directly we are typing the name only. Okay, automatically the value we are going to get. The thing is what, now this is the value and this is a variable. Okay, simply here, now variable name is equal to the value or data. Okay, value or data. Now variable is a location now where we can store our value in this variable. Okay, now this variable we can consider it's a container or location where we can store our values. Okay, now here we have types of data we can store in this variable name, right? Okay, we can store like a different type of data. Okay, now which type of data we are storing in this variable name? Okay, now which type of data we are going to store in this variable name? The concept is called the data types. Okay, now data types we have. Now we have different types of data types. Okay, what I mean by data type basically here? Which type of data now we are storing into a variable name. Okay, see here, if you observe that this data we are storing in this variable name, the type we need to mention. Okay, the type is called data types. Now we have many types of data. Now we can store like a string type of data, boolean type of data, number type of data, decimal type of data. Okay, different type of data we are storing in this variable name. Okay, the concept is called data types. Okay, now in Python, it's not required to represent that which type of data explicitly. For suppose in Java, if you consider like that int float, we need to mention. For suppose in Java, int age is equal to 90 here we have. Now this is the way now we can represent Java. Okay, for suppose in the Python, the same variable if you want to represent age is equal to simply 18. Okay, now like this we can represent in the Python. Now here it's not required to mention the type of data we are storing into variable name. Okay, it's not required. Why? In the sense the Python is dynamically typed. Okay, the Python is dynamically typed language. Okay, now here the Python contains around the 14 types of data types. Okay, now data types in Python. Okay, now we have simply here, first one is int, second one is like a float. Now third one complex we have, the fourth one bool we have. Okay, bool. Now fifth one str. Now sixth one the bytes we have. Okay, sorry, now sixth one is bytes. Now seventh one byte array. Now eighth one